Today I will be sharing with you how you can always be profitable in forex trading in the long term. So I suggest that you watch the video until the end because I will be sharing a very important key concept that you have to be applying in your trading to become a consistent trader. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm a top author on the TradingView platform and I share free education and analysis on all my platforms daily. So I suggest you subscribe and I will see you in the video. What I want to do today is share with you guys something a little bit different, which is how you can be sure that in the long term you will always be making money. And it's called risk management, which is the real holy grail of forex trading and trading in general. So risk management and risk to reward. Now here I will first be going into a general example that I spoke about many times, but don't skip it. And then I will show you the actual results that we had with students last month and show you how risk to reward basically plays its role in shaping your returns. Now let's start from the general example, okay? You take 10 trades, okay? And you have a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. To make it simple, you have a 1 to 3 risk to reward on all these trades. And you win 3 trades and you lose 7. So 7 losers and only 3 winners. So what does it mean? It means that you had a 30% win rate, which is very bad, okay? If you take 10 trades with a very well-structured strategy that takes into place a technical analysis, multi-time frame analysis, order flow, as you know, we speak about it many times, okay? The COT data, so the commitment of traders, what big banks and institutions are doing in the market, so tracking their orders. You put all of this together, as you know from my previous videos. I made many videos about it. So you put everything together and you're only able to hit a 30% win rate. That is terrible, okay? It's not gonna happen unless you have a bad strategy. But in general, let's say you have that worst case scenario, okay? You have only a 30% win rate. What happens with those 3 winners that you are able to close? You make 9R. And with the 7 losers, you obviously lose 7R. Here there is an error. It's supposed to be minus. Obviously it's minus. So with the 7 losers, you lose 7R. But with the 3 winners, you make 9R. So total, you still made money, okay? You still made a 2R profit, winning only 3 trades out of 10 because you had a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now, if you don't know what R is, R stands for risk per trade. So depending if you're risking 1% per trade, 2% per trade, obviously, if you're risking 1% per trade, this will be 2%. If you're risking 2% per trade, this is 4%. If you're risking 3% per trade, this is 6%. It depends how much you're actually risking per trade. That is why it's a very good benchmark to actually measuring a performance if you're using R's, because obviously everything depends from how much you're actually risking. What is your risk tolerance? So as you can see, by being right only 30% of the time, you're still making money if you have a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. But what happens if your win rate goes higher, okay? Higher than 50% with a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward, because you're able to use a lot of factors to take the trade. So technical analysis, multi-time frame analysis, order flow, and put everything together. So I decided, okay, let me show you exactly the results that we had last month with students. So all the trades that we took and put everything together and see what is the actual profit basically that we had for last month. Just a quick reminder, make sure you comment below and you let me know which pair or topic you would like me to cover or analyze in the next video. So this is what we had, okay? We lost 1 hour on CAD CHF, we lost 1 hour on Euro NCD. Keep in mind, I just put the losers on the left, the winners on the right. We didn't just first lose all trades and then win all trades. It's mixed. but just to show you. So we lost 1 hour on CAD CHF, 1 hour on Euro NZD, 1 hour on CHF SGD. We lost another hour on a UD CAD, 1 hour USD HKD, 1 hour on USD Mexican peso, and 0.6 hour on USD Mexican peso, and minus 1 hour on GBP DKK. Now, obviously these are all full losses, so we lost we lost the trade. Full stop loss was hit. This one here, we closed it early, okay, before the market actually hit our stop loss. That is why we only lost minus a 0.6 R on it. Let's go and see the winners. We made 3 R on Euro JPY, 3 R on GBP CHF, 1 R on GBP JPY. I will be speaking about this shortly. 3 R on Euro GBP, 3 R on USD ZAR, 3 R on USD Mexican peso, 3.5 R on Euro PLN, 3 R on Euro CHF, and 3 R on USD SEK, which was the last trade that we took last month. So the total profit for us was 18.9 R, because obviously we had a higher than 50% win rate with a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. Now this trade here that you see is only 1 hour. Actually here the trade was actually 3 hour, okay, when we took the trade, because we don't take a trade unless it's a minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward. The simple fact, because we only made 1 hour, as students know, it's because we closed the trade early, okay, which is something that we almost never do. Just in this case, we did it for a variety of reasons, but usually we never do it. So overall, okay, by being right slightly above 50% of the times, we made 18.9 R profit in only 1 month, which is really, really good, because we understand the basic concept about risk management and risk to reward. 2 things, guys: keep your risk to reward high, minimum 1 to 3. Number 2, keep your risk under control always. Always, know before you're taking the trade how much you're actually risking on the position. So this is what I wanted to stress in today's video. I know it's something different from what we do usually, but it's a very, very, very important concept that you need to understand if you want to trade consistently. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. Also, make sure you go and check out the mentorship program. You find the link in the description. You will first learn all the rules of my strategies and then trade them live with me. Each and every day I give you a new daily market breakdown showing you exactly how to apply these strategies with entry, stop, and take profit, as well as answering every question that you have each and every day. So it's a very complete program. I suggest you go and check it out. The link is in the description, or I will see you in the next video.